Cindy Mayo. What's up, Bag Days? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi, my name is Rochelle. Welcome to our tribe. In this video, I'm going to show you the mail I got from Cindy Monroe, the founder of 31. That's right, the queen bee herself, the queen bag babe. Now, if you missed out on our little interview that we did on the Bag Babe TV, the live, I'm going to link it up above, so check it out right here. This video, I'm going to announce the winner and showcase to you the awesomeness and amazingness things that she sent to me. Loving this personalization. I'll link it down below just in case you want something for yourself. One thing that is so great about this is that it is personalized and it's like exclusive, okay? The reason why I say exclusive, one, it's like two-tone, meaning two colors, and there's 3 lines, okay? If you don't know anything about 31, we are totes galore and gifts galore, but one great thing about it is that it can be personalized. So if you want to check out the catalog, again, the link is down below. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. First things first, more than a bag. You're like, what's more than a bag? Everything is more than a bag. She explained it so well during her interview, but in that video, I said I was going to do a giveaway, and this is the giveaway. That is how amazing she is. We will find out who that giveaway winner is. Good thing that we did have a glitch in the system last Saturday because I was trying to announce the winner and I could not. So yay for the glitch. There's a reason for things, all right? Your mind has to be open to it. And guess what? This one is even better because it's a signed copy. It says, lean into your potential and have fun. From Cindy Monroe. Okay, it's the end of this video and I forgot to record the giveaway. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Start the random picker. Boop, 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 boop. Annette, congratulations. She's like, already subscribed. My favorite is the All About the Benjamin's Wallet. I have 25, maybe a few more. It's so hard to choose only one favorite item. I have addiction to all 31 purses, totes, travel bags, accessories, LOL. Hashtag replay team possible. What? So if Annette's comment totally resonated with you, you are in the right space. So let's continue on with the video. So she did a little note to moi. Rochelle here. Again, look at that. So cute. I love the tote. The Cindy tote. More than a bag. Again, it's just the little details, right, ladies? The little details. It says, Rochelle, thank you for being part of my launch team. Here are a few goodies for you and for you to share your love and encouragement with others, because that's our tribe. Also, I've included a signed copy for a holiday giveaway. What? There you go. I'm glad we waited, okay? Here is some of the cards. Maybe we'll save this for a future giveaway, but these are some nice cards. Again, be the light, okay? Doesn't that just resonate with a message on this channel? And another thing in here too are stickers and a magnet. You know, I'm big on stickers, so I might share this with my daughter and myself, and then maybe the rest I will spread the love, okay? Nevertheless, she persisted. Dream big. Get lost. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Love that. That is like a truth bomb right there, right? Truth bomb. Go ahead and drop that emoji down in the comments. Don't trade your authenticity for approval. That's me right here. Be authentic, baby. The world needs your sunshine. I love this magnet. It says, pursuing reckless optimism. Oh my gosh. Again, this is just Cindy. I think this is the reason why I love 31, why I love Cindy. I'm all about optimism. I see the silver lining in all things. You should be always 1% better than you were yesterday, okay? Because by the end of the year, you're 365% better than you were last year, right? 2023 is going to be huge, so make sure you watch. I'm doing giveaways. We're going to be talking about Disney. I'm going to talk about what I do for the team, what I'm doing for 31, because I'm going to be doing something special with them. A new catalog is coming, so if you want to get on my VIP list, go ahead and text list to this number so you can be filled in on all the fun things. And I will see you in the next video. So come on in and join the pink bubble behind the scenes with me and Team Possible. Till then, ladies, bye-bye.